Alright, so in this video we're gonna do something very simple. We're just gonna create the pages, the folders we need in here. So let's go ahead and create a folder called pages, and in here we're gonna create a folder called navigation. We're not gonna necessarily create everything we need, but we're gonna create the most important ones, the ones we're gonna work mainly in. Beside navigation, we also want to have something called post. Actually, we want to call this, we want to have one that's called timeline, and then we want to have one called post, and then we want to have one called profile. So we're gonna have one to display the profile. For the components we're gonna use to display the profile, the one for the timeline, one for creating post, deleting a post, and so on, and one for the navigation. And then in pages we're gonna have something called home, profile, and then we're gonna have something called authentication, and inside authentication we're gonna have a couple of files, and then we're also gonna have something called user, and inside user we're gonna be able to edit the user, and then we're also gonna have something called beside profile, home, or user, and we're also gonna have something called, let's see, so we're gonna have one for the home page, and then we also want to have one for the profile, for the edit, and user page, and then we also want to have one for just viewing a post individually, so we can just go ahead and view the post itself. And so far that's all of the pages, the folders we need so far. So what we can do now is we can basically go in here and create a VueJS folder in all the ones we need to have a VueJS folder in. So we know we will have one in the timeline, and we want to have one in the profile, and we want to have one in the post, and we also want to have one in the authentication, and we also want to have router folder because we want to have one to store the router files, and then we want to have VueJS router, and the same for all the other ones in here. And actually that will be all for this video. So in the next video we are gonna create all of the files we need, and then it will begin to make more sense on how we're gonna do this. So the reason why I'm splitting this up to 2 videos is just again to try to keep it short. I know some people like it longer, but I think I prefer to keep it short because that means it's gonna be easy for people to follow along in shorter videos, so if they don't want to work on it every day, and otherwise you can just continue in the playlist. So see you in the next video. Hit the subscribe button and the like button if you liked the video,